All right, guys. Sorry I couldn't be there. I was in a meeting. So what we're doing today is we're doing 7.7. We're going to be multiplying polynomials. Last week you did multiplying monomials. Then yesterday you did a polynomial by a monomial. Now we're going to be doing polynomials together. Okay, so you know the drill. We're going to listen to the notes, fill out, follow along. When it says pause, pause it, try it yourself, and then check to see if you got it right. When you're done, take your notes up to the substitute. Make sure that they see that you've completed the entire notes. Once you have, then you'll pick up your homework. You can start working on it. Reminder, you got a homework check on Monday over 7.6. We'll have a review work day getting ready for test next week. Okay, so the multiply polynomials. Okay, so when multiplying polynomials, everything in the first factor must be multiplied by everything from the second factor. Okay, so the two different ways. One of them is you're going to take this x, you're going to go to x, and then you're going to go to -4. Then you're going to take the 3 to the x and the 3 to the -4. So x times x, x squared. X times -4 is -4x. 3 times x plus 3x. And then 3 times -4 is -12. But now we can combine like terms and add those together, and you get x squared minus x, or minus 1x, minus 12. Okay? And that's it. That's our answer. Okay? The way we can help remember that, okay, is the acronym FOIL. Okay? F is the first term, so x times x. O is the outside terms, x times -4. Then you got inside, 3 times x, and then you got the last terms, 3 times -4. Okay, the only bad news about that is this only works if you have two binomials, guys with two terms. The only way FOIL works. But the idea is the same. The other way is the lattice method. Okay, so what we're going to do is you have a binomial and a binomial. So we're going to make 2 by 2 box. Up over here, we're going to go x, and then we got a positive 3. Then we got an x, and we've got a -4. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go x times x squared. X times -4 is -4x. X times 3 is 3x, and 3 times -4 is -12. Now, these guys are like terms, and so you can add those together. You still have your x squared, you still have your minus x, and minus 12. It's a different way of looking at it. It's not right, it's not wrong, it's just figuring that out. Okay, it's whichever one you like to do. It doesn't really matter to me. As long as you end up with this answer, that's all I care about. Okay, so a couple practices here. What we're going to do, we're going to do this one together. We're going to take 2x times x, it's 2x squared. We're going to take 2x times 5, and that's plus 10x. Then we're going to take these inside guys, 3 times plus 3x, and then 3 times 5. Now we're going to make sure and combine any like terms at 10x plus 3x. That becomes 2x plus 13x plus 15. And that's it. Okay, let's try this one again together. First ones is going to be 3m times n is 3m squared. 3m times 6 is plus 18m. 4 times n is plus 4m. And then 4 times 6 is plus 24. Combine these guys, and you get 3m squared plus 22m plus 20. Okay, here's what I want you to do. I want you to try the next one. Try C. Okay, you get it right, fantastic. Then we can move on. Okay, here we go. X times 2x is 2x squared. X times -4 is minus 4x. 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times -4 is minus 20. Combine these like terms here. You get 2x squared plus 6x minus 20. That's it. Okay. Now, try D. Okay, it's a little different because now it's a binomial and a trinomial, but the answers are still the same. Okay, so give it a shot. X times x squared is x cubed. X times 3x is plus 3x squared. X times -5 is minus 5x. Now we gotta go 1 times x squared is plus x squared. 1 times 3x is plus 3x. 1 times -5 is minus 5. And so now we're going to combine 3x squared and the x squared. We find minus 5x and plus 3x. X cubed plus 4x squared minus 2x minus 5. There's your final answer. Okay, try E, see what you get. Okay, hit pause, try it, and then check your answers. All right, how many of you did 9x squared plus 25? Okay, that's wrong. Bad. Do not do that. Okay, you are not allowed to just distribute there. And the reason why is because it has a plus sign. That's a binomial. Okay, what this means is it has to be 3x plus 5 times 3x plus 5. Okay, and so if you do your multiplication there, you get 9x squared plus 15x plus 15x plus 25. And if you combine your like terms, you end up with 9x squared plus 30x plus 25. I guarantee somebody's going to get this problem at this wrong on your test next week. Okay, someone always gets that problem wrong. You cannot distribute the two because it's a binomial. So try to do F, see what you get. Okay, if any of you wrote x squared plus 4 or x squared minus 4, I'm shaking my head at you. Okay, I just told you you can't distribute it. What that means is it's x minus 2 times x minus 2. So then if you distribute those, you get x squared minus 2x minus 2x, and then plus 4. So you get x squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay? Now, find the area of a rectangle that has the following dimensions, length times width. So we end up having to do 9x squared minus 3 is 2/3 x plus 7. Distribute. 9 times 2/3 is 6, and that's x cubed. 9x squared times 7 is plus 63x squared. Negative 3 times 2/3 x is minus 2x. Negative 3 times 7 is minus 27. Is there anything we can combine? Hopefully you said no, because that's an x cubed, that's an x squared, that's an x, it's just a number. That's our answer. That's it. Okay, now, right here's the pool. You might have to tell because yours is in black and white, but that is actually blue water. The length, okay, of the pool and the walkway. Okay, the length, this is 10 and this is x and this is x. So that's actually 10 plus 2x. The width, here is 5, this is x and this is x. And that's actually 5 plus 2x. Using those two things, we want to find the area. Okay, so the area is going to be 10 plus 2x times 5 plus 2x. And then we got to go ahead and multiply that. 10 times 5 is 50 plus 20x plus 10x plus 4x squared. And simplifying your like terms, you get 50 plus 30x plus 4x squared. Now it says the walkway is 5 feet wide. That's our x. So find the area. So just plug in x. You can go 50 plus 30 times 5 plus 4 times 5 squared. And that's 50 plus 150 plus 4 times 25, which is just 100. So 50 plus 150 plus 100 is 300 square feet. Okay, you could have also checked that out because if the walkway is 5 feet wide, that means this is 5 and this is 5. So the whole thing is 15. Then if this is 5 and this is 5 over here, that means that is 20. 15 times 20 is 300. Okay, what I need you to do now, take your notes up to the substitute, show them, make sure you're completely finished. Okay, once they've checked them, then you can start working on your homework. Be prepared for it. If you have questions, come back and see me. I'll be back later after lunch if you have anything, or you can see me early Monday morning for office hours. Okay, hope you guys have a great weekend. Get a little bit of math done. We'll start a review next week. All right, take care. Have a good one. Bye.